Welcome back to another workout video. If we haven't met before, my name is Alina and I post workout and fitness videos on this channel. And today we're going to do a beginner-friendly 10-minute leg workout. I'm going to show you how to do 5 exercises, and then we're going to do all of those 5 exercises 2 times. And the format will be A, B, C, D, E, and then A, B, C, D, E. For each exercise, we're going to do it for 40 seconds, so do as much as you can for 40 seconds. Then you'll rest for 20 seconds, and then we'll repeat ourselves, and then after 10 minutes, you'll be done. So let's get started, and just look out for the small video in the corner, and you'll see the upcoming exercise and how to do it so that you can keep up with the entire workout. So if you have a fitness watch or any type of activity tracker, now you should start it, and we're gonna get going. All right, the first exercise is a seated squat. And so find a chair, a sofa, or whatever you have. Feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna sit and push up. When you're coming up, make sure you're pushing with the heel and not with your toes so that you work the right muscles and you don't fall over. You can keep your hands wherever you want. You can keep them here. This is a little harder. And if you want the most challenging option, just place your hands here. Lunge, so you can put this inside. We'll get back to it later. For this, if you struggle with balance, you can keep your hand on the ledge, a wall, a chair, or whatever you find. Or if you're good, you can just keep your hands on your hips like this. For this one too, make sure you're pushing with your heel. And keeping your back as straight as you can. The next exercise we're going to do is a donkey. So get on your hands and your knees. Keep your back straight. And we're going to alternate. So, let's see. When you're doing these, try and focus on kicking it with your heel up. Don't kick the chair like I am, but you want to pretend that you're kicking the ceiling with your heel. And that'll make sure you're active. Also, along with everything else, try and keep your abs tight. The next exercise is a glute bridge. So we're going to flip over. Feet are going to be shoulder width apart. And when we push up, again, we're going to focus on using our heels to push our weight up. Don't try and go through these too quickly, and every time you come up, try and pause for a brief second so that you really feel your glutes engaged. exercise is a sideline leg raise. So choose one side. I'm going to do my left side first. You can keep your hand underneath your head or lie down like this. The trick with this exercise is to twist your leg a little bit so that your heel is up. And again, you want to pretend that you're hitting the ceiling with your heel. Keep your abs really tight. And switch sides. Now we're going to repeat that all over again for another round. So, bring your chair back for the seated squats. Remember, your feet should be shoulder width apart. And you can keep your hands up here if you want more control. Straight into our reverse lunge. Remember, you can hold on to something if the balance is a little tricky. One trick I like to use is with my hands on my hips. I try and push my shoulders back so I can work on my posture. Is the donkey kick. And remember, keep your back straight and your abs as tight as you can. Remember to use your heel to kick up. Exercise is going to be the glute bridge, so I'm going to flip over. Remember, feet should be shoulder width apart and push with your heel. side lying leg raise. So remember, again, you can keep your head propped up on your hand, or you can lie down like this, or or like this. I like to keep my hand right here and bend the lower leg. You should be feeling it right here. On the side of the leg. And switch. And again, you should be feeling it right here. Anyway, that's the workout for today. Thank you so much for joining me. It was a quick 10-minute workout. I have a lot of other workouts on this channel that are 10 to 20 minutes that are really beginner friendly. So if you want to try an ab workout or a cardio workout, you can just go to my profile and check. As always, you can always follow me on Instagram at @CoachAlina_. I'm really active on there and try and talk to as many of you as possible. So please, if you could, like and subscribe if you did find value in this video, and I'll see you next week.